So chakra, this chakra, this belongs to our second body, etheric body. We have 7 chakras in the body. I would like to remind about the chakra. You might have read about the chakra, hear of the chakra, but how to know practically, how to experience the chakra, how to feel, how to imbibe it, how to open it, how to get harmonized over it. There is a beautiful chakra sounds meditation. We belong to different chakras, you know, and many possibilities, talent, creativity is being hidden in the chakras. So this meditation is very helpful to blossom your chakra, to explore your chakra. This is guided meditation. I will guide throughout the meditation. Only you have to follow my instruction. This meditation uses vocal sounds. You have to make sound over the chakra because every chakra has its own particular sound. So this meditation uses vocal sound to open and harmonize the chakra while bringing awareness to them. And it brings you in a deep, peaceful and inner silence. You know, friends, every chakra has its own sound, and chakra relates to color, the 5 elements, zodiac sign, planets. So in this meditation, we have to make vocal sound over the chakra by following my guideline. Every chakra has its own particular music, and music is a very subtle part of meditation, you know. The 7 notes of music are concerned with the 7 chakras of the body, and each chakra has its own particular notes. Each chakra has its own form, size, color. So the first chakra, I would like to remind about the chakras. The first chakra, that is the lowest chakra, is located at the lower pelvis, the sex center, Muladhara chakra, root chakra we say. Second chakra, just below the abdomen, below the navel, sacral plexus. Hindi we say Swadhisthana chakra. Third chakra, above the navel and below the breastbone, Manipur chakra, solar plexus. Fourth chakra, just between the chest, cardiac plexus, heart chakra, Anahat chakra. Fifth chakra in the throat, cervical plexus, Vishuddha chakra. Sixth chakra between the eyebrow, third eyes, Shiva eyes, Agya chakra, pineal gland, medulla oblongata we say. Seventh and the last chakra, just below the top of the head, crown chakra, Sahasrara chakra. So friends, these are the 7 chakra. See, chakra is invisible, it cannot be seen. It is in our consciousness. Or you can say, the flow of energy comes from the chakra and goes in the chakra. So this meditation, it consists 3 stages. Eyes remain closed throughout the whole technique. First stage, standing, just see here, Standing with your feet, relax with open mouth and jaw relax. When I guide you to go in the chakras, you have to go there, make sound over there, feel it deeply there. For example, if I say go in the first chakra, music will go on approximate 1.5 minutes. And make sound over there. The first chakra sound is Lam, L-A-M. You can make according to your own rhythmic way. You can sing over there according to your own musical way. Lam, Lam, according to your own singing way. Then after 1.5 minutes, the music will change and goes further according to the chakras. So as soon as you go above, your sound should be higher in pitch. You can also touch your hand to feel it over there. It will be effective. The second chakra sound, just below the navel, Vam, V-A-M, Vam. Third chakra, above the navel and below the breastbone, Ram, R-A-M, Ram. I will guide through the technique. You have to follow my guideline. Fourth chakra sound, Yam, Y-A-M, Yam. Fifth chakra, Hum, H-A-M, Hum, like that. Sixth chakra between the eyebrow. Sixth and seventh chakra belong to the sound Om. So we can also see Om is made of three sound, A, U, Ma. We can also say A, U, Ma, A, U, Ma. Then seventh chakra, crown chakra, Om, Om, like that. As soon as you go further chakra, your sound should be higher in pitch. Then after seventh chakra, the tone will descend one at a time down through all the chakras. So within 2 minutes, you have to reach at the bottom. Just follow my guideline. Feeling the body becoming hollow like a Bombay flute, allowing the sound to resonate from the top of the head to the very base of the tongue. Then you have to come down sixth chakra, again touching your hand over there and make slow sound. When you go descending over the chakra, your sound should be slower. That Yam, Ram, Vam, Lam, like that. This first stage. This upward movement and the downward movement of sound will be repeated. Approximately 30 minutes. This first stage. Second stage, you have to sit down with closed eyes, quiet, don't make any sound with the chakra. Again, you have to follow my instruction, going in the chakra, just listening the sound there and feeling deeply over there. Just sitting and again following my guideline, listening the sound and feeling deeply over the chakra. The seventh chakra, again the tone will descend. Again follow my guideline, listening and feeling deeply over the chakra. The second stage, you have to quiet, only listening and feeling deeply over the chakra by following my instruction. So this repeated up and down movement of the sound, approximately 30 minutes. Third and the last stage, music will stop. Keeping your eyes closed, just lying down. Take complete rest. Go in total savasana. But don't focus anything on a particular. Whatsoever is happening, some sound is coming, images is coming. So be neutral over it without any judgment. So friends, these are the 3 stages of this chakra sound meditation. So let's start. Stand all of you. Standing loose, relax in a particular spot. And open your mouth and jaw relaxed and go in the first chakra at the base of the spine, sex center, Muladhara chakra, and make sound over there. Lam, L-A-M. Lam. Lam. Just sing it over there. Make according to your own rhythmic way, own musical way. Lam. Muladhara chakra at the lower pelvis, at the base of the spine, root chakra. Lam. Lam. Second chakra, just below the abdomen, below the navel, Swadhisthana chakra, sacral plexus. Make sound over there. Vam, V-A-M. You can also touch your hand to feel it over there. Vam. Chakra above the navel and below the breastbone. Manipur chakra, solar plexus. Ram, R-A-M. Ram. Fifth chakra in the throat, cervical plexus, Vishuddha chakra. Hum, H-A-M. Sixth chakra between the eyebrow, pineal gland, Agya chakra, third eye, Shiva eye, A-U-Ma, A-U-Ma, Sahasrara chakra. Come down in the sixth chakra between the eyebrow, third eye. Make sound over there. A, uma, so sound.
साउंड नहीं है.
Sound नहीं आ रहा है. Now in the fifth chakra, in the throat, HAM. Fourth chakra, yum. Yum between the chest. Yum. Make slow sound over there. As soon as you go in the descending chakra, make slow sound. Yum. Also touching your hand to finish over there. Yum. Now third chakra, below the ribs and above the navel. Ram, Arayam. Ram. Slowly. Second chakra, just below the navel. Vam. Vam. First chakra, lowest chakra, root chakra. Lam. Now just quiet and enter in the second stage. Sit down on your places. Sit in any posture comfortably, keeping your eyes closed. Now again go in the first chakra, root chakra, Muladhara chakra. Don't make any sound. Just listen the music, the sound, and feel deeper in the first chakra. Only listening and feeling deeply the first chakra. Second chakra, just below the navel, Swadhisthana chakra, sacral plexus. Feel it over there deeply while listening. Third chakra, above the navel and below the breastbone, solar plexus, Manipur chakra. Fourth chakra, between the chest, heart chakra, Anahat chakra. fifth chakra in the throat, Vishuddha chakra, cervical plexus. Sixth chakra between the eyebrow, Shiva eyes, Agya chakra, medulla oblongata. Seventh and the last chakra, just below the top of the head, crown chakra, Sahasrara chakra. Now come down in the sixth chakra between the eyebrow, third eye. Listen Feel it deeply over there. Fifth chakra in the throat. Fourth chakra between the chest. Third chakra below the ribs and above the navel, solar plexus. Second chakra just below the navel. First chakra at the base of the spine. The third and the last stage, just lie down on your places with closed eyes. Take complete rest. Don't focus anything on a particular whatsoever is happening inside, outside. Just be neutral without being judged. Have some few deep breath before coming back. Gently come back without being jerk the body. Slowly, slowly. Whatever chakra you feel very close to you, that means you belongs to that chakra. Somebody through this chakra, that chakra. So whichever chakra brings very closer to you, it means he relates to that chakra. And this technique, it opened the chakras and it harmonized over the chakra and explore your chakra, whatever is being hidden. Many possibilities, many talent, many creativity is being hidden in the chakra. So this is the technique to penetrate over the chakra, to blossom over the chakras. Friends, thank you very much for being participated in this meditation workshop. Hope you enjoy this workshop. You all did sincerely and nicely. I also enjoyed with you. And whatever you are being taught, just go through. Any questions regarding about this meditation, you can text me, call me. So let's celebrate before leaving. Celebration should be there anyhow. Otherwise, something is missing in meditation, really. So stand all of you. It's time for celebration. आवाज बढ़ा दे. Dancing in the light of you, singing in the light of you, wings of love set me free, fly into the light.
Wings of love, set me free. Fly to the light. Dancing in the light I feel. Singing in the light I feel. Wings of love, set me free. Fly to the light. Dancing in the light I feel. Singing in the light I feel. Wings of love, set me free. Fly to the light.
Dancing in the light of you, singing in the light of you. Wings of love set me free to fly into the light. So, friends, keep on dancing, keep on meditating. That's a message. And all my ever positive wishes to you with immense love, blessings, and regard. Take care, friend. Thank you very much.